Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another blockbuster video. Yes, sarcasm involved in that one. Bit of a no idea plan again today. I've done a video of this before where we had no plan. We ended up going north to Moreton, to the south side of Moreton. The only part of the plan, we're going to go south this time. We've got westerlies, which means it's all good here, but over that side of the bay is just going to be horrible. So I'm going to go south, see what happens along the way, see how far south I get. So come along for the ride and let's enjoy this beautiful day together. So behind me there, we've just done the stretch that brings us across the bay. And now from here, we're at the entrance of the Knife Passage. So this passage here takes you all around Russell Island, virtually right down to the Gold Coast. And I've been in this passage on 15 plus nights and it's good to go. As you can see, I haven't got my passenger with me today. It's a weekday, so she's at work. I'm not. Haha. Well, the marker behind me is the crossroads. If I head south, we go past Tipplers, head down to the Gold Coast Seaway. If I head north, that's the jumping pin bar, and we do the outside lap down. Well, I kind of know which way I want to go. I want to go that way. So why don't we go and have a look, see what it's like out there. If it's no good, we can always come back. That's the beauty of it. Righto, let's go. Here we are, over the jumping pin bar. Still sitting in about 2 meters of water. Not quite over the bar yet. She's pretty good out here. Bit of a wave, nothing major. We'll head south. The set coming through, but we'll be right. Also carry a personal EPIRB on me as well. It's attached to my life jacket now, so got all the safety precautions we need. There's a wave here standing up in front of us, little one, nothing major. As you can see, she's pretty good out here today. The westerlies really make it protected this side of it. Beautiful. Might even have the chance of seeing a whale, maybe. Pretty calm. Woohoo! How good's this? I don't know what we've got over here, but I do have a feeling. And I'm not going to approach it, that's illegal. Engine's off. when there's that big of a sort of splash, come back up, buddy. Come and say g'day. There he is. Move inshore a bit. You're meant to be about 200 metres away, I think, from memory. There he goes again. He's cruising the same as me. What's he doing? He's doing about 10k an hour. Well guys, we've come all the way down South Stratty. The Gold Coast Seaway is just here in front of us. There's a heap of boats. I'll turn around. Heap of boats, all sitting in a line all the way along. I don't know if they're quite large boats. I don't know if they're whale watching or not, but really couldn't be bothered going out there, to be honest with you, to find out or ask them. But we saw that one whale, pot of dolphins. Thought I saw a second one, but no, I think it was just me being a little overexcited. So we're going to go through the seaway and then we'll turn north. We'll have a look. If the conditions are pretty crap, because it is a westerly, might even come back out here and shoot north again and just follow where we've just been. So let's go. The adventure continues. Still no idea on a plan. Just out here enjoying what a beautiful day it is. So I'm going to go in through the Gold Coast Seaway now. Last time we were here there was like 2.5, 3 metre swell. I'll put a card up above for that video. But also, if you haven't been over to the Instagram page, we started an Instagram page up for anyone that wants to follow along. So, hey, getting into it, having a bit of fun. So, tide's on its way out. It looks as flat as though down here now. So, there's a big super yacht punching its way through. So, let's go. I'm thirsty, so I might have to go to Tipplers and get a drink. I'll see you on the way out there. Here we are, we've made it at Tipplers, ordered some food, got a cold one, might have to get another one of them I think, that one went down too quick. Wind's starting to pick up now, it's easy blowing 10-15, so we'll see what happens on the way home. Cheers. Got a friendly little local here. Doing, buddy? Hey, what's going on, mate? Chilling. Don't get too close to me, you might nip me camera. Righto, so we've had a bit of a feed. Most importantly, we've had a beer at Tipplers. Behind me over here. Good little spot to pull into. Can be a bit exy, won't lie, but hey, they're on an island and they've got to try and get all their stuff there, so what do you do? So we're just going to start heading back towards home now. That's the next part of the no plan trip. To give you an idea, I got on the water at about 8:30. It's now coming up to 12:30. So it's taken me 4 hours to get from Cleveland all the way down the outside of South Stratty and sit here and have a half-hour bite to eat. And now we're going to go. So wind's around 10 knots. So anyway, let's crank the tunes and send it. Now we got that northwesterly coming down. That's Cleveland in front of us. But even just this far offshore, it's probably blowing, I reckon, 10 knots. I mean, I don't have a weather gauge in my finger or anything, but starting to see white caps. So we went from that direction over there, that's Canipa. We would have had to come all the way back into it, all the way through here and away. So all I've done is I've come up through kept closer to the mainland, and it's just protected me a little bit more. So it's been really good. That's the end of our blockbuster video. Pretty cool, I reckon. Saw whales, dolphins. Been all the way down to the Gold Coast and back on one tank of fuel and the Sea-Doo 170. On a serious note too, if you've watched it this far, mental health matters. So don't ever be afraid to talk to someone. Sometimes just a good conversation can help a person out. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. It ain't weak to speak, chase the freedom. Hooroo.